Well, today I'm going to work on the CRX. I'm having an issue with my hood latch. It's a 1988. The hood latch cable is starting to fray, and I can't get the hood open right now. And I don't want to lose the cable. I'll have to get a wrench on it or a pair of pliers on there and get that hood opened up. But I picked up a replacement, so that's the job today. My understanding is I got to take the driver's side fender off, the front bumper cover to access the cable to get that changed. So I haven't opened up that front end on this car yet at all, so this will be a new adventure. All right, stay tuned. Pretty good. Shipped to me, this cost about 30 bucks. You can see that cable getting frayed. So let's see if I can get a hold of that. There we go. Okay, I'm working on getting the fender off. I took off a couple extra screws here that were in the mud flap that I probably didn't have to, because this is going to come off with the fender, I'm guessing. But I did have to take that one off. That's on the body itself. So well, I'm learning. I'll keep on going here. There's a bolt you have to take out for the bottom part of the fender right here. And if you put a ratcheting wrench kind of like this on there, just don't keep cranking on it, because it's going to hit the door and you're not going to get the wrench out. So get it to the point where you can get the wrench out, then do it with the box end right here. I've been taking off these clips right here that hold the hood latch cable, and can't get to it. So usually it's been pretty easy on all the other ones, just a flathead screwdriver, but I can't get to the back side. Yeah, it's really cramped in there. So I'm gonna try this, see if I can get in there and push that tab in on the back side and see if I can get it out. So I need two hands on this, so I'll let you know. Blade is turned the wrong way, so I got a different screwdriver, bent at 90 degrees, and get that corner behind there. See if I can get it. The other one was bent this way, and it's too big to get in and depress that tab that's in there, so I'm gonna use this side. All right, let's see if I can get it done. That did the trick. Again, there's a tab on the back side. I was able to get in there, get the corner of this blade on there, push that in, and I was able to push this one at the same time and lift it up. So this is how it's going to sit in there like that. It's got they got two bolts holding that in. I'm guessing 10 millimeter. So I'll go ahead and take that one out of here. And then I'm going to cut the end off of this, and I'm going to fish tape the new cable and pull it through that hole, and that'll make it a little bit easier. Here's the original 1988. So I have to make sure I get that. Taking a look at this. I'll cut that off right there. Yeah, look how stretched out that cable is. Couldn't get any leverage to open up the hood. The new cable does not come with bolts, so these are the factory ones here, 10 millimeter. Also, this is in the opposite direction versus the original. So we'll put this grommet in from the inside versus pulling it out from the outside like the original. So, all right, back to it. test this out. Got the new line run. So let's give this new latch a try. It's a good sound. Excellent. All right. Well, now I just got the fender and the bumper cover back on. All right, another project is done. Got that hood latch release cable switched out. It worked out really well, that part number that I showed earlier, and lined up good. I can see the reason why they put the grommet that goes on the inside and pokes through, just because it's easier to put that cable in from the inside versus vice versa on a replacement. So again, I can see the reason why they did that. I can safely now drive it in case I need to open up the hood. I did want to check the oil, and that's why I hadn't been driving it. And it's got 183,000. I hadn't checked it for a while, and I didn't want nothing to happen and burn her up unnecessarily. I'm still getting almost 50 miles to the gallon if I drive decently here, speed limits. And but if this motor single overhead cam gives up the ghost, I got a dual overhead cam B16 with 50,000 or under on the miles. That's ready to go in there. I had some difficulties with getting the bumper off. I was playing around with the fender first and that kind of stuff, and I just had to stop, take a break. I did a little search on YouTube and found my friend John from Garage Built Hondas and watched his video on that bumper, and worked out really slick. So thanks, John. And yeah, pretty happy. You guys have a great night. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you later.